Hello everyone, welcome back to the Chick's Kitchen. In today's menu, I will be teaching you how to make misgirl. Some people call this gâteau or beignet in French, but this is not gâteau. It is another variant of the same family. For this recipe, I am using 600 grams of flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, half teaspoon of nutmeg, a pinch of salt, and 6 tablespoons of sugar. After I mix the dry ingredients together, I am adding 100 grams of butter. The butter should always be at room temperature. To ensure that everything is incorporated together, I am using my hand to mix it. After mixing all the dry ingredients, I'm going to add an egg and mix as well. Finally, I am adding a glass of milk, after which I will mix very well. I hope you will try this recipe at home. When you do so, don't forget to give me your feedback. After mixing the dry and the wet ingredients together, you will have to achieve a dough like this. Make sure that your dough is not too hard nor too soft. You need to have just the perfect consistency before frying. I am rounding my dough into smaller balls because when frying, it expands due to the baking powder in the recipe. If you have watched this video up to this point, it means you are enjoying the recipe. Please support us to keep making more videos like this by following our pages on Facebook and Instagram, as well as subscribing to our YouTube channel. This is going to be a deep frying process, so that is why you see me putting in much oil. Let me know how you call Misgirl in your country. Have you ever tried this recipe before? Before frying, make sure that your oil is very hot. Your fire should be on high flame, but immediately you put in the misgirl, reduce your flame to medium heat. To know if my oil is hot enough, I am putting in a small batch, and if it starts frying, then I know it is ready for me to start the frying process. I am now adding my misgirl. Like I said before, don't forget to reduce your flame to medium heat immediately you start frying, or else your misgirl will be brown on the outside but not cooked inside. Make sure you stir gradually. Please do not forget to follow us and share our videos. As you can see, our misgirl is ready. I hope you will enjoy it when you make it at home. You can serve it with beans or pap. You can also eat it with tea. I hope you enjoyed our recipe. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video. Remember to love, like, share and comment on our videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.